everybody, so I am doing a video on some Prada mascara. Now Prada is launching in Canada on March 21st, so they sent me some stuff over. This is the Pradacope Lash Extending Volume Mascara. Love the packaging, super elegant, beautiful, what you would expect from Prada, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a wear test. So with this wear test, I'm going to be doing some check-ins over the day, just of clips of how it looks. I'm going to start with curling my lashes, how I normally do, and that is with a blow dryer and a lash curler. I don't want to leave it on too long because you don't want to burn your eye. I've done that many times. You can see the before and after. It really holds the curl when you heat up your lash curler. It's the same principle as a curling iron. I am excited to try this mascara. It is a chunky wand like this. It only has bristles on one side. That's very interesting. Okay. So it's pretty so far. I'm gonna do
one coat on this and see how it handles two coats on the other when it is nice and dry.
I definitely think it's lengthening. And then, of course, with any spots that I get on my actual eyeball, like the skin of my eyelid, I'll just go over it with a Q-tip when it is dry, just to chip it off, I guess. So it gets a bit chunkier, of course. You're putting more product on, you would expect that. I think I prefer it with one coat, but just for consistency, I'm gonna do two over here as well. And this wand is very large, so we're gonna attempt it on the bottom lashes. And of course, clean it up with Q-tip later. So far I like this. I like that it's holding the curl from the lash curler, and I like that it is very lengthening. That was the name of it, right? Lash Extending Volume Mascara. I would definitely put it more under the lash extending range. However, it does give some volume on that second coat. I didn't mind that at all. Do a little bit of cleaning up. Cleaned up nicely. I have fairly sensitive eyes, so it will be interesting to see if I find that there's, you know, flaking or anything like that. But I will do some checkups throughout the day just with some pictures, and then at the end of the day, I will come back and do a full update. So see you then. Hi everybody, so it is the end of the night, and I will go ahead and insert the photos that I've taken, as well as the time frame or the time in which I took the photos, so that you understand like if things started to change or anything. I actually love this mascara. I'm obsessed. It had slight flaking under my eyes, if you could see. It's been about 12 hours and I have cried, like not intensely, but I did cry. As well as I accidentally rubbed my left eye once, this eye. Yeah. I don't think there's anything else to really talk about. Let's see how easy it comes off. These are just the Kirkland makeup facial towelette. Super easy to remove, actually. I'm surprised. I didn't expect it to be like slide off like that, but yeah, I really like it actually. I think it's worth the price point. If you are in the market for an expensive mascara, potentially yes. I personally prefer an expensive mascara. It's just the truth of the matter because I'm not a millionaire. So, I don't know, but I do love it. So, your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye.